Every enterprise IT team hits the same wall. You deploy a large language model, and it operates in a complete vacuum. It lacks your company's domain context and has zero access to your live databases. The ideal workflow looks completely different. Instead of a generic prompt resulting in a hallucinated error, the user executes an exact command, like /finance reconciliation, and the model pulls vector data directly from a Snowflake warehouse to complete the task. Engineering teams traditionally build custom middleware. They write thousands of lines of code, a towering, fragile structure that breaks with any system update. Anthropic has introduced an architecture designed to replace this custom code with their newly open-sourced repository, Knowledge Work Plugins. Addressing the disconnect between generic chat and enterprise utility requires moving away from bespoke middleware and toward a standardized integration architecture. The repository has already crossed 14,000 stars. It provides plugins specifically engineered to operate within Claude Cowork and Claude Code, turning the model into a specialized agent for individual departments. If you inspect the repository, you notice a distinct structural anomaly. There is no heavy logic routing, no Python scripts parsing data, and no Node.js propers handling authentication. The entire execution layer consists entirely of basic Markdown files and JSON objects. These text files act as a configuration layer for the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. MCP serves as the engine, taking these simple text files and making them executable against enterprise databases. Anthropic has replaced the need for custom API wrappers with a protocol-driven, declarative configuration model. The repository ships with 11 out-of-the-box role directories. These cover distinct enterprise functions like finance, legal, data, and sales. When we isolate the product management folder, we can look inside its .claude plugin subdirectory. This folder contains the entire operational brain for the role, split into two specific file types. First are the skills. These are Markdown files that function as standard operating procedures for the model. They dictate exactly how Claude should synthesize user research or write technical specs. Previously, training a model to adhere to these formatting constraints required model fine-tuning. By placing these rules directly into the context window as a skill, the model stays within strict behavioral guardrails automatically. Because the skills are written in plain Markdown, any team can open the file and input their internal company terminology or unique workflows. These Markdown documents transform the model from a general predictor into a specialized domain expert by defining exactly how it should reason through a task. The second pillar relies on commands. These are explicit actions defined by the user, like typing /product-management:"write spec, which triggers specific subroutines. A command is limited if it relies on outdated training data. To write a relevant spec, the model needs to pull live context from external tools like Linear or Jira. This introduces the third pillar, connectors. Inside the plugin directory is a single .mcp.json file. It acts as a routing map, pointing directly to external enterprise tool names. By editing this one JSON file, an enterprise can swap out general knowledge endpoints for their proprietary internal tool stack. This file requires no authentication logic or data parsing scripts. It is strictly a routing map. Commands provide the user with a specific entry point for a task, while the JSON connector handles the underlying routing to the required data source. This raises an architectural question. How does a simple JSON file securely extract live data from a walled-off system like a Snowflake data warehouse? The Model Context Protocol provides the standardized bridge to execute the request. We can track this in a 4-node sequence. Node 1 is the Claude interface. Node 2 is the JSON file. Node 3 is the MCP server. And Node 4 is the enterprise database. Step 1. A user triggers a command in the interface. Step 2. The JSON file routes the request, pointing it exclusively to the authorized MCP server. Step 3. The MCP server executes the query against the database and pipes the raw data back into the LLM's context window. Once the raw data hits the context window, Claude formats it according to the rules defined in the Markdown skill file. MCP makes the LLM a dynamic, secure reader of live enterprise databases, rather than a static responder. Out of the box, Anthropic provides 11 standard roles, But large organizations inevitably rely on custom internal tools that no public repository covers. To handle this, the repository includes a module called cowork-plugin-management. This is an AI plugin strictly designed to automate the generation of other plugins. Developers can use this meta plugin to rapidly spin up the exact Markdown and JSON files required to connect Claude to an undocumented internal system. The system acts as a self-scaling loop, writing its own adapters for future tools. The technical architecture is efficient, but deploying this repository in production introduces a strategic reality for business leaders. However, adopting this specific file-based framework across your entire enterprise creates a deep, unavoidable state of ultimate vendor lock-in. While the configuration files in MCP are open source, the architecture is hardwired to execute exclusively within Anthropic's proprietary walled garden. This framework cannot be ported over to compete with OpenAI's custom GPTs or alternate agent environments. Anthropic has open-sourced the integration layer specifically to centralize the platform layer. Adopting file-based plugins signals a shift away from manual API coding and purely prompt-based engineering. Technical leaders should evaluate the benefits of standardizing on protocol-driven configurations like MCP rather than continuing to build custom, brittle API wrappers. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. We review tools like this every week, so you're always ahead. Now, if you liked this, you're going to love our breakdown of the Model Context Protocol itself. Standardizing integration logic through protocols like MCP reduces the need for manual middleware, shifting the developer's role from writing API wrappers to managing declarative configurations. Wrap your head around that shift, and you'll see why the future of AI integration looks less like code